Yo, what's going on, everybody? What's going on? Hopefully, you're having a great, 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 great Tuesday. Hopefully, it's a blessed one as well, as always. It's a great day to be walking up today. Thank you, Lord. As always, it's 9:30. We did gap into discount. Go ahead and show you guys. We have NQ on our left, ES on our right side. We did gap into discount for both of them. You guys can see. Okay, beautiful. Still got basically the same markups, just that we have basically traded a few things differently in terms of price. So we can see that yesterday we did close above this daily, which became a daily inverted FUG, right? Currently this bearish inversion on the daily time frame, it is getting respected. Just missed it in terms of trading it back to and through above it, right? So this one currently he's trading below it, so we got to look at that. For ES, we're doing the same. I got the same setup, same things. Currently trading below this daily inversion to the upside, but trading below this daily inversion to the downside. So keeping that in mind. All right, let's get to it. I will eat. All right, first thing first, what do we do? Okay, this. All right, first thing first, I can see here that we went into this 1 hour. What is the low? 16.50. Alright, so this got respected for yes. I'm gonna go ahead and mark it and then show you guys. You see that this hour inversion got respected, so that's pretty cool. Currently reaching below these sell side below here. I like that. some sell side on EI, so I want to definitely mark them up. Let's do that. $42.75. Sorry. It's a point three quarters. Yes. Okay. Below. Beautiful. I'm gonna mark out these. $29.50 in the high. $14.25. Alright, so I also ended up marking these 1 hour in here, these 1 hour inversion, and the sell side for ES, and this 1 hour inversion trading below a daily inversion to the upside, but below a daily inverted to the downside. So just keep that in mind. Okay. Ernie right now, she's in that area in terms of the daily inversion, so keep that in mind. I just want to make sure, like, just making sure that it is. Yeah, it is. All right. Okay. Yeah, I gotta go ahead and explain myself in terms of why is it that you see a different name above, but I'll get into that later on in the video. But right now, let's just concentrate here. All right. It's nothing bad. 26. I'm gonna be right picky today. think we already have news today. Yep. I think they have CPI. We already passed. I had to put some W40 or something on this chart. Shit crazy, bro. Okay. This is what it is. Alright, so 13 minutes. Alright, I'm gonna see if it goes after these lows as well on here, which was 10 a.m. low from Friday previous of last week. Again, I'm gonna go ahead and explain later on in the video, possibly towards the end. Why is there a different name? But you guys can still see we are the name of Max 7 Trader Live is still getting promoted. It's just they don't want to get anything mixed up. So yeah, I'll explain that later. Focus here first. Alright, I do like how we just swept below these equal lows. And currently inside inefficiency for ES. Inverted. On this inside here. Currently looking at to see if this get full. This 830 swing. I mean, inefficiency, sorry, and a swing low. Who knows? Maybe it goes and get these bad boys. Just gotta wait and see, you know. I do like this, but then you know we gotta understand as well that if we do have 1, 2, 3, that we gotta understand that if they don't get traded to, or if this one gets traded to and through, and then give us a little retracement back, we can go ahead and look into getting ace long into here. That gets full, then we go into here. That's good for you already know. You're gonna go ahead and sweep those highs. So I like these just calm. Calm. We gotta just pay attention. We got 10 more minutes of this area in here. Mark up these 5 minutes. So this 5 minute in here got formed, so we're gonna put that in there. That is the high, 32, so 25, and the low. Okay. smoking these as well. To have it mark up, you know. Put my sock the wrong way. Hey, I be doing that. Putting the socks the wrong way. Your boy did. Whoops. Whoopsie. Okay. Who knows? Are we gonna go after these lows? Man, I'm stretching out. I'm stretches. Okay. Checking these highs I was taking up on here. This is 55.55. We got a 710 right here. Started a little bit, went down. What time is this? 8:55. Getting back into it. 9:15 or so. I was around CPI also. I'll say like after, like 15 minutes after CPI, and then you just started, you know, plummeting, taking out these lows, which was neutral equal lows down here. All right. Again, currently to see if we dive a little bit deeper into discount. This is how we are looking. Again, the way you are able to see the 9:30 opening range gap is by going all the way down to your right side and clicking regular trading hours. Usually you have it automatically set to regular trading hours. All right, so again, this is NQ. Yes. Deep in discount. We have not dipped inside the 9:30 opening gap. Three more minutes onto 10. And currently we are still reacting off these 5 minutes. It tends to go lower. Whenever we gap into discount, and this is happening where prices continue to pull lower, it's possible to go ahead and take the continuation going lower. It's a little tricky. Again, everything, you know, it takes practice, but it is a little tricky. Lately, I've been just taking notes of that whenever I do that, especially last week. And then seeing what happens afterwards. Do we get a move afterwards or no? So this is what we're gonna be focusing on this week. knowing that we are in discount and deep in discount, seeing that we gain some sort of, you know, rejection from these areas, and possibly maybe seeing a nice pullback. So we're just gonna wait on that rather than, you know, continue taking take sell slower. Again, perfecting my model, my strategy, you know, which is what's gonna boost our confidence. All right, so yes, the same. We dipping into here. I do have a 5-minute in here that got basically traded to and through. We didn't come into this 5-minute, but it definitely traded to and through here. So I don't want to mark it, it's too much, but I am looking at it. Really not much for ES in terms of that as well. About the 15 that we have. We have this candle that traded below it. Already got rejected after coming back into it. We're about to close. Yep, there we go. So the 1 hour did close below it. This is a good candle that if we do happen to see some rejection from here, to balance this out a little bit. So keep that in mind. Same thing. So both of them have yet to take out these lows that we have marked up. 10 and 8. Is it the same day? No, one of them is Monday, the other one is Friday. So for ES, this low is Monday the 10th. Is it the 10th? The 17th at 8 a.m. and this one is Friday the 14th. ES is reacting of the 50% of this current wick at 8. Go ahead and show you. And this candle's open to the low. See the rejection that we are currently having, the 50%. So not so much. Thank you. It's quite a little bit below it. And close below it as well. Let's see the exhaustion that you're having. Hopefully, let's see what happens. 40. Excuse me. Excuse me. Took a swig and I ran down the wrong hole. Pause. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna mark out this inverted 1 hour that we have that could possibly run into as well. Just checking to see if it's the same as ES. What's the low here? 3150. That is the high. 2025. Another 5 by these guys. I'm gonna mark up what is the high. 1950. 2150. Okay, so it has everything the same. There was a 5-minute that was formed on ES. You guys can see. After this rejection of the wick, 1 hour wick that I was telling you about. That's not really much on these guys. It is what it is. I want to see something real quick. There's a whole 15 in here. $42.25. $23. Do you have anything in there? Yes, we do. Indeed, we do. We have this area in here. she gets traded to and through it, I want to see her. I mean, if she gets traded to it, I want to see her get traded to and through it and above. Just continue seeing if she's willing to push up a little bit higher. But again, the only thing I gotta look into is the 5 minute as well. So that 1 minute. I'm just gonna wait patiently. Just tap back into that 1 hour wick. That 5 minute that we had on ES just turned into a 5 minute inversion. So still waiting. Let's see if we formed at least these equal lows and then have that little push to the upside until 11, and then after 11 creases 1 hour, hits it, possibly continue, and then sweep down below the sell stops. I'm gonna be looking at that scenario as well. Nice. So volume and balance as well in here. ain't gonna lie. A little bit. It's like cold in my room. Cause I have the AC on, so. Still waiting. See, maybe she goes back and sweep these lows. No, you can't hear my cat. I'm still waiting. There's a 15 right here that I just have marked up just and wait, no. There's a 15, so let me go ahead and fix this. Above. Yeah, it's a 15 inversion that I already have it showing here. So let's just wait. We deep in discount right now too, so this is how it looks. And I got NQ on my left, ES on my right side. The way you guys go ahead and see the 930 opening gap is by clicking all the way down to your right side, all the way to the bottom right side, and clicking on regular trading hours. Usually you have it on electronic trading hours, so that's how you do it. Still waiting. Alright, currently right now sweeping some sell stop, some lows that was created at 10. Let's see if we at least tap in or maybe leave the lows, those equal lows for maybe a later on. So let's just keep in mind of that. Looking at these 1 minute inversions to see what it's gonna do from here. A lot of up and down. I would sweep below. Sell stop at 10. I went up a little higher, created these 1 minute in here, but I'm looking at right now. Closes out. They didn't like how he's moving. I'm gonna wait. I did take a long in this position, but it was not doing it. We'll see right now. I'm going to see right now. Not really want it to be showing Carmelo. Serious be respected, bro. So it's like, does it want to, does not want to. trend below it. Let's see, do we have another one formed? Like this 1 minute here. He already took one precision, so we just waiting to see if this one forms. Okay, we jump into it. And the same thing on ES. days. All right, we done for the day. We took 2 setups and we got smoked. I'll go ahead and where's the open? Yeah, even afterwards, look at that. This old bullshit going on. It's bullshit, man. It's banana dance. Hey man, we can't with them all, right? So it is what it is. Let me go ahead and show you guys. I was taking buys from here, but you guys can see what the fuck is going on. And I do have a limit. I do not pass. And it is 420 for today. Oof. This is how it looks currently. So if she go ahead and deliver, oh well, so be it. Looking into these areas in here, seeing what it do, and you can see she is, because we already took a setup when it was in here, and you can see that she did, but now 2 minute swept some lows, broke to the upside, couple rejection. Now you guys can see the expansion. Looking into this 1 minute in here, this 5 minute in here, seeing if she gets into that. She's definitely going to, so it is what it is. I can't win them all, bro. Wow, man. Mercado, man. Este mercado, brother. Wow. She is on it today, brother. She on something today. Let's see, she's still pushing higher. Again, we're not in nothing. We took 2 setups, and which was in here. We closed it because it was 270. I didn't want to risk the whole 400. So we just cut that in half, and you can see that she did continue going a little bit lower. We tap in the 2 minute, which is right here after sweeping up these 10 a.m. lows. Mentioned that she possibly could even just leave these equal lows, these sell side that we have, until this hourly is closed, right? To then continue, possibly even go higher, hitting inside a future 1 hour SIBI, and then possibly targeting those lows. So it is what it is. Let's see what's up. Mark up these in here. What are these right here? Yeah, there we do that right there. And this right here. All right. You got the same thing. Matter of fact, I might as well. Oh no. There we go. Same thing for ES that we are targeting. You can see it's very choppy. Very choppy, chapeadora. Man, you could have done that afterwards, huh? ¿Por qué, güey? Why? It is what it is, bro. I'm just grateful to be able to trade another day and be able to just not go over and over leverage. In the meantime, while we seeing these trade play out, for the new name, you guys could see that it went from Max 7 Trading Laboratory to back to my name, for the simplified that currently we're doing a few changes. I spoke with my partner and we're going about it a little different way, as in for the Max 7 Trading Lab YouTube. That's going to be in the near future. Currently right now we are focused on staying with the Discord for that. So since that, I didn't want to mix the Max 7 Trading Lab business with my personal one. So I just went back and turned this YouTube back to my personal. And as you can see, I believe before it was like Chrystian Trading Laboratory. So I just changed it to Rincon Trading Zone. Plus, I'm working on getting an LOC. So gotta speak to, I gotta get an accounting, right, in terms of that, to get any more knowledge on that as well. And yeah, honestly, it's nothing bad. It's just, we're going different routes in terms of establishing this different. That's why I'm still promoting it. The Discord on top, you guys can see it, and the Instagram as well, still promote it along with my Instagram. As in, for my business partner, he's gonna be doing his YouTube. He usually trades supply and demand. He's gonna be doing that on. He's gonna be doing the same thing, basically promoting Max 7, right? The IG and the Discord on his YouTube channel. And then as we continue growing the Discord and social media, then we go ahead and open up we create a YouTube channel for Max 7 Trading Lab. All right, so yeah, nothing bad. Like I said, it's just sometimes you gotta take risks to figure out if it's gonna work that route or not. And yeah, my gut was telling me that we should be going about it this way. Spoke to him, we talked about it, and we came to an agreement. So yeah, communication is key. Yeah. All right, so as you guys can see what is going on, okay? Be mindful, I'm not trading tomorrow, so just study. I'm gonna take the chance. I'm gonna take the advantage of doing yesterday's study case, today's study case, because your boy yesterday was staying up all night, doing new logos, coming up with new everything, right? New logos, new everything. You guys can see, I got the 2 logos. I got the bear and the bull pulling a rope and all that. Then I have, you guys can see when you go into the waiting stream, you guys can see the other logo. So yeah, having 2 logos right there. But yeah, like I said, it is what it is. It is what it is, cuzzo. Alright, so I want to make sure that we leave everything how it is. Tomorrow's another day. The following day is another day. And it keeps moving on, bro. They just keep moving on. Yeah, bro, it's the foolery shit that's going on here. Alright, let me go ahead and take a screenshot and put it up on Discord for today. Oh, where is... I always lose the mouse. Screenshot. Where is it? All right, you guys can still see. You can see what's going on. It's looking like we might be aiming for these equal lows now rather than later. To then, who knows, maybe at 10:50, 11:10 micro, we gave that push that we were seeking. So we're gonna pay attention to that. Give me 1 second. Let me update. Let these guys know. All right. Let me see what is around. I'll say like 140 to. Let's say I got 50 points, 55 points around there. Let's just say 55 points. It is what it is. All right. All right. All right. So this is currently, you guys can see, I still have everything. I'm not taking off nothing. But this. All right. So overall, we was looking to seek into this 5 minute in here, these highs as well. Since we are deep in discount, and so we are looking to see if what she is looking for is a sweep on sell side, especially after sweeping below these 10 a.m. Lows, and then me seeing a displacement. I did see that this 1 minute candle was traded to and through, turned into 1 minute inversion, but then we could see the up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down momentum that we was having. We did took one position in here, closed it. We didn't like how she was moving, right? Then we took another position upon when she came in here. We waited a little bit because again, she came all the way down here. I don't have the second intervals, so like I said, in the future, I want to get that so that I'm able to break it down even more, right? So that I know what is balance, what is imbalance on the smaller time frame, right? But then what happened was upon this close candle, and when she traded above here, then we took our buy, but then she came back lower. It was a little bit around here we took our buy, I would say, like where this candle closed, this bullish candle closed. But then she gave a retracement back on this second candle around 10:38, and we have a automatic stop loss for ourselves that we had set on TraderBot. We don't trade, we don't invest, we don't risk more than 400. Sometimes it might be a little bit more, a little bit 25 or so over. Give me 1 second. Mama Duke's calling. Look at this foolery shit going on, bro. This shenanska. It is crazy. Alright, what is the message of the day? While she's doing this. Planet Earth and humanity needs you. They need you, and that's why you are here. Oof. You make the world go around, 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 around. No, seriously, this is a good one. Planet Earth and humanity needs you. They need you, and that is why you are here. That's always the reason why you wake up every single day. You have a purpose in life. Find it, seek it, and go crazy. No, seriously. Don't let go of the pedal. Whatever idea, whatever plan, whatever it is that comes to your mind, go after it, because it was placed in your mind for a reason. It wasn't by mistake. It was for a reason. So go crazy on it, man. But stay disciplined while doing it. This is a nice one. I like it. I like it. Alright. Still looking at the fact that we are still messing around up and down in this 1 minute inversion. It's foolery, man. It's like I don't like nothing at this point. So in the meantime, let's go ahead and post some nice motivational things. You know, brighten other people's day. That is the goal, man. That is the goal. That is the goal. Man, you gotta spread the love, man. Spread the love. I'm telling you, spread it. Currently, I'm still looking to see if what she wants is to continue going lower. You know, because Shorty is just being a chop. You're just chopping around. You know, being a little thotty. Just one of those days that she wants to be, you know, messing around. Not giving 2 F's. And not giving 2 F's. I'm telling you, yo, this journey that I have been in, yo, I'm telling you, look. Last time I had one of my challenges that it was at a 1,000, cause I got to get to 1,500. Last time it was at 1,000. That's when I had both of my funded account. It was at 1,300, 1,436 or something like that. I mean, you can go back to the video. I literally talked about it. I'm like, yo, I'm not gonna get in. I'm just gonna go ahead and just wait until the next day. Stay disciplined and just, stay humble, right? Next day came. It was a lost day, 480, or like 4 something. Came all the way down. Brought the account back up. It was yesterday. We had it at $1,340 something, $134 away, right, from getting the funded account. Now we're back at 900. As long as you don't let those things defeat you, yo, you become more stronger and stronger. Literally, this has been the best challenges and the best funded account, because I have this funded account that I have, it has been in a roller coaster. Yo, I have this account for more than a month, right? Compared to the other one, I had it for like 3 months, and I took like 3 to 4 payouts, right? And juiced it out. And then this one, I got it afterwards, and I'm like on trading day maybe like 23, 24, but overall it's about maybe like a month and a half, and then I finally got it to like positive, right? Got it to 1100. Currently right now it's sitting at 700. But yo, I know something huge is coming. I feel it. I don't know how to explain it, but I don't know, I feel it, bro. Because lately, like, the only time my heart is pounding is when I'm like, you guys see me moving around, drinking coffee, doing all this, moving around, like just waiting for my setup. And then once I get into my setup, it goes away. Once I close it and I'm looking for another one, it goes back. But it's less, right? I'm less anxious, right? In terms of like, not anxious as like jittery just to get into a trade, but like the nerves goes back in again, as in like, okay, focus back again. But when you start noticing these things and acknowledge them, the journey becomes easier, rather than you thinking that it's harder. I don't know if you know what I'm trying to say, but honestly, I'm gonna just keep pushing, because something huge is coming. It's coming, and I know, and I feel it. I just feel it. I feel it. All right, so real quick, buy stops. I taken out. These 1 minute inversions still getting respected. You guys can see from here. We got rejected, came back up, rejected into this area. Same thing. We fell short of these that we had marked up, but it's okay. It's okay. All right, so we didn't miss these, but we came into these areas down here, right? I'll say possibly, but yeah, you still be good. But you guys can see that she delivered and ran on the south side. Currently did not even touch the 930 opening range gap. It's fine. It is what it is. But like I said, maybe later on in the PM session, we might have that little rally going up. Maybe not. Maybe so. Maybe not. But it's 11:02, which means your boy is out of here. It is out of here. So I'm gonna let you guys go. I know I didn't really talk too much, but I was just I was focused. But that's trading, right? That is trading. Again, anything you guys want me to post or show, let me know. All right. As of right now, I'm just gonna continue doing live session and come up with a few, shorts in terms of the reality of trading, etc., etc. Giving out tips. So, as always, I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. Hopefully, y'all have a great, beautiful day, beautiful morning, night, from whatever time you're stepping out of home, you're stepping out of your house, come back home. Just stay alert. Stay protected. Appreciate ya. Love ya. As always, 5 P's. Proper preparation prevent poor performance. And like my mama always say, be the first one in the room and the last one to leave. I'ma holla at ya.